I was looking to add some Mudflaps splash guards to the front of my Jeep Rubicon, and WeatherTech offered a perfect no-drill solution. Let's take a look. Okay, we're going to be installing these WeatherTech Rubicon front fender splash guards. And I just wanted to show you guys, there's 5 mounting points. There exists here, 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 and here. And next I'm going to show you how that relates to inside the Jeep, inside the fender, what we have to remove, what we have to add to get these installed. Let's take a look at that. On the front install, we'll need to remove these 2 plastic rivets from the edge of the fender. There's several different ways you can remove these plastic rivets, but this is my preferred method. I like to drill them out and use a trim tool to remove them. It makes pretty easy work of it. Okay, so here's the 5 mounting points on the Jeep. So what you're looking at, and you may not have on your Jeep, is this is the Extreme Recon fender extensions. So we've removed the plastic rivet that was here and the one that was here, and then we're going to pry out here these plastic push pins, 1, 2, and 3, and this WeatherTech splash guard is going to go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 2 and this out of the way, and then we can get this installed. All right, now we pull back the fender liner, and on this upper hole, let's put a clip there to accept a screw. Push it all the way in and make sure it lines up so we can hit that. All right, next, we're going to locate these clips here. Make sure they're all the way up and that the holes are lined up. With the 3 metal U-clips installed, next we're ready to install the mud flap onto the Jeep. That top screw is 8mm and the bottom 2 are 7mm. We're almost done now. Let's run the screws in, but not too tight as we check placement and fitment. Once happy with the fitment, we can now run those screws in nice and snug. I really like the design of these WeatherTech mud guards. The molded plastic design makes them strong, and they fit the body contours extremely well. They also have a molded in pocket which will accommodate the factory Rubicon rock rails. With the 3 screws installed and tightened, next we install this plastic push pin. In this shot of the inside of the mud flap, you can see the 5th mounting location. At this location, I used a 1024 by 1 inch stainless steel screw and a wing nut. My reasoning here was to be able to quickly remove the mud flaps should I be playing in the rocks in the summer months. A little marine grease applied to the threads will ensure that comes off easily after a harsh Chicago winter. And here they are installed on the Jeep. I'm super happy with the fitment of these and looking forward to the protection that we're going to provide. Another great WeatherTech product made right here in the USA. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.